Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mine Ashok and watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install JDK 21 in Windows. I just want to show you that JDK 8 and 11 is not supported here. So we are going to install either JDK 17 or JDK 21. If you want to work with the Spring Boot projects, you have to download this any of these two and you can create any project using this. So I don't have any as of now. I don't have any. Just a second. Okay, 1 second. As of now, I don't have any Java in my system. Java JDK any version in my system. Okay, I will just show you. So Java is not recognized as internal or external command. Okay, so now I'm going to install the JDK 21 in my system. So for that, you have to search like this. I will show you. JDK 21 download and install. If you search like this, then you will get this kind of page, and out of which you have to click on this Java downloads. And so once you open this page, you will get something like this. Okay, so as of now, if you are working on Linux or Ubuntu, then you can go with these links, and if you're working with Mac OS, then you can go with these links. But as of now, I'm working on Windows, so I'm going to click on this Windows tab, and there is an installer in for Windows. Okay, so if I click on this, then it will allow me to download this installer file, but I have already downloaded this, so I will just click on this, and then let's install this JDK 21 in our system. Let's click on run. Till that it get started, I just want to request you to do subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Now click on next and then next. So it's getting installed, right? And after that, what we will do, we'll check whether after installing this we are able to find the Java version in command or not. Sometime what it happens, it directly support it, and no need to do anything in adding environment variable in like adding Java home environment variable. But let's see whether it's supported or not. It's by default it's adding or not. Okay, so now what I will do, Java dash version. Okay, I think it's added the environment variable in there, right, in path, and that's why we are able to get the 21 as the JDK. So I hope you are also able to download 21 JDK 21 and able to install. If not, then let me know in comment section. There will be a problem with your environment variable. Sometime you have two versions, but you have to set the version to the correct JDK version which you want to use. Earlier, like suppose you have JDK 8 and you have also installed JDK 21, then you have to set the path to JDK 21 instead of JDK 8. So there you can get the problem. But if we go with the easy flow, I can just suggest the solution for this. Like, you have to add the Java home environment variable in system variable, and we have to find the path till, I will show you better environment variable. I will show you environment variable. If I check it here, if you see here, Java home is there as an environment variable, and the value is the path of that JDK 21 installed in my system. So this is the path. If you see here program files, and then you will go to Java, so you will get JDK 21 that I just installed in my system. So this is the Java home path, and if you go inside the path one, right, the main path of this system variable, then you will get this one getting added already inside this one, Java home bin. So I just added this. If it is not present in your system, then you have to do like this. You can click on new, and there will be an option to add this kind of value at last, and click on OK button and OK button. So like this you can add, and after that you are able to use the JDK 21. So I hope you are able to install the JDK 21 in your system, and if you get any problem while installing, do let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe and support me, guys.